1, 2. Check me out right here, yo.
Yo, the sun don't shine forever, but as long as it's here, then we might as well shine together. Better now than never, business before pleasure. P. Diddy and the fam, who you know do it better.
In a Ferrari, a lamb truck, switching wild lanes. Top down, screaming out them niggas all lame. Came up from the mud puddles, then it all changed. Living ghetto fab like my brother named Paul Kane. Somewhere along the way, I hate to say we lost shame. Grown men peddling gossip of all things. I remember when it was rapping, a ball playing. Now the bread and butter is yapping and parlaying.
What? Yeah. What? Yeah, yeah. What? Yeah. What? What? Yo, this is a monopoly. Niggas ain't stopping me, and we can't lose, cause Puff set us up properly. Just won't settle for lesser, who won't test us? We be in the 5 with the goose headrests. Locks put niggas under pressure, you shoulda knew that. It's always them new cats that'll get you.
Cold of truth, got they throw the nooses. Grip never letting up, though they hope it loosens. Nah, I'm on top, you can't knock me off my spot. Fuck yachts, I won't stop till the boat's a cruise ship. So the whole world knows who got the gold acoustics. Only then will I split like I co-produced it. Lot of rappers make dough and be prone to lose it. For crumbs, dumb niggas so they sold illusion.
Who shot ya? Separate the weak from the opsa. Leap hard to creep them Brooklyn streets. It's on, nigga. Fuck all that bickering beef. I can hear sweat trickling down your cheek. Your heartbeat sound like Sasquatch feet. Thundering, shaking the car.
New York City is crazy outside right now. It's cold as fuck.
DJ Clue,
but it's beautiful, you know what I mean? New York, to stay alive, that's the only thing. Yeah, hey yo, scrap everything I was working on prior to the day the world decided to play. I got a brand new agenda, they tryna keep up with your boy Harley. Bitch, I feel like Lori Harvey, how I ran through them niggas. Now I'm back for the winter, tryna outdo myself. No chain on my neck, but got a palpable wealth. I grew up in the heat of the South, you could melt, cause the summer humidity enhances stupidity.
Hey yo, my whole clique bout it. We take yours while you pout about it. Truck, step out, wanna crowd around it. You can see me on Optimum TV. On your bathroom, turn the light out, scream Bloody Mary. 1, 2, 3. Chic ain't your usual friend, but I can set you up like Kaiser and walk straight at the end.
DJ Clue, to the storm, nigga.
I orbit the earth whenever I'm recording a verse. When I'm ready to drop, said he gon' report on it first. Play my album for the corpse in a hearse. It's so live, the flow can make the rigor mortis on a mortar reverse.